how to close your Google Cloud billing account. Go to Google Cloud, then choose console here in the top right. Now from the left hand side, we want to open up the navigation menu and just go to billing. Once you go to billing, it is going to show you your billing account here. You just want to click on it to open up the settings, and then you want to choose manage billing account. Once you click on manage billing account, you will see an option close billing account. Once you click on it, it is going to show you and give you this disclaimer. And in order to close it, you have to type close like this in this field and just choose close billing account. Once you do that, it is going to give you this message: the billing account is closed. You can reopen it to continue using linked projects. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.